everyone, welcome back to the Sam Excursion Power Sports. My name is Peyton and this is my sister Taylor and my other sister Lynn. And in this video we are going to be replacing a fuel filter on this 2001 Ford Excursion 7.3 liter Power Stroke. Let's get started. Now it's time for the part.
Parts down.
Right down. In this Motorcraft fuel filter kit, we have these O-rings that come with the kit and the filters that we're going to use today. Okay, girls, first let's get our logos out. First things first, guys, we're going to take off this engine cover. We are going to drain the diesel into the...
Are you going? Because your face looks like you're about to poop.
Next, we're going to drain the filter into the catch can. We slid this yellow knob towards the driver. Next, we are going to break the filter using this screwdriver and then hand twist it off.
There we go. Now twist it.
Off, we're going to pull it off. So remember guys, we always have to remove the O-ring. After properly lubricating, we're going to put back the O-ring fully up.
Beveled up.
Beveled up. The next step, we are going to be putting the second O-ring over the filter. Then we're going to put it in. We just got a few more steps, then we're going to be done. Now we are going to be putting this lid on tight. Alright guys, before we cycle the key, we're going to close the drain. So once we checked for leaks, we are going to put the cover back on. Now let's see this baby will work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you on the next video.